Let's start with group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals. Group 2 elements comprise of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. They are called alkaline earth metals because their oxides are alkaline in nature and found in earth crust. These are the important minerals containing elements. Beryllium, only one mineral is popular called beryl. It is beryllium aluminium silicate, BeOAl2O3 into 6 SiO2. Magnesium has many minerals. One is magnesite, which is MgCO3. Dolomite contains MgCO3 and CaCO3. Carnallite is KCl, MgCl2 into 6H2O. Epsomite or Epsom salt is MgSO4 into 7H2O. Asbestos is calcium magnesium silicates. Calcium source, main source is limestone, which is also called chalk, calcite, marble or island spar. Formula is calcium carbonate, gypsum CaSO4 into 2H2O, fluorspar CaF2. Strontium ceristrine SrSO4, barium bariates or heavy spar BaSO4, witherite is barium carbonate. Radium is radioactive, it is found in pitchblende and keronotite, minerals of uranium consisting of minute quantity of radium. Next we are taking electronic configuration. Beryllium atomic number 4, 1s2, 2s2, magnesium 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, calcium 20, strontium 38, barium 56, radium 88. The general electronic configuration of group 2 element is ns2, that all of them have 2 valence electrons in s orbital, that's why they are called s block elements. Atomic and physical properties of alkaline earth metals is shown in the table. Atomic number 4, magnesium 12, 4 for beryllium, 12 for magnesium, 20 for calcium, 38 for strontium, 56 for barium, 88 for radium. Mass number or atomic mass is 9 for beryllium, 24 for magnesium, 40 for calcium, strontium is 87.6, barium 137 and radium 226. General electronic configuration, they have ns2, all have 2 valence electrons in their valence orbital. Ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing due to increase in atomic size, decreases smoothly. Radium has little 509, slightly higher than barium, being radioactive, so its value may not be accurately known. Ionization enthalpy, this was the first ionization enthalpy. Second ionization enthalpy will also goes on decreasing down the group. In case of radium, it is slightly higher. Hydration enthalpy goes on decreasing down the group due to increase in size of cation. Hydration enthalpy decreases. Beryllium ion being smallest in size has highest hydration enthalpy. The value is not known for radium plus 2. Metallic radius goes on increasing down the group. The value for radium is not known. Ionic radius goes on increasing down the group till radium. Melting and boiling point has irregular trend. Magnesium has lowest melting point, and first it decreases, then it increases, then decreases and goes on decreasing till radium. Boiling point is highest for beryllium and then it decreases, then increases, then decreases, then increases, that is, it has irregular trend. Density goes on increasing in general, but lowest density is of calcium. So it decreases from beryllium to calcium and then increases. Reduction potential goes on increasing down the group. It means that electropositive character goes on increasing down the group. So first we are taking ionization enthalpy. Since the atomic size increases down the group, their ionization enthalpy decreases. The first ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals are higher than those of corresponding group 1 elements because they are smaller in size. But second ionization enthalpy of group 2 elements are lower than group 1 because group 1 elements after losing one electron will acquire noble gas configuration and removal of second electron will require abnormally very high energy. Hydration enthalpy. Smaller the cation, higher the charge, more will be hydration enthalpy. Here all have same charge, so beryllium ion being smallest has highest hydration energy and it goes on decreasing down the group. So beryllium has highest hydration energy and barium has smallest hydration energy, their hydration energy are even higher than the corresponding alkali metal ions because they are smaller and have higher charge. The compounds of alkaline earth metals are more extensively hydrated than those of alkali metals. MgCl2 and CaCl2 exist as MgCl2 into 6H2O and CaCl2 as 6H2O, whereas NaCl and KCl do not form such hydrates. Physical properties: alkaline earth metals in general are silvery white, lustrous and relatively soft, but they are harder than alkali metals. Why they are harder than alkali metals? There are two reasons. One is they are smaller in size. Secondly, they contribute 2 electrons per atom in the valence electron cloud, so the metallic bond is stronger. That's why they are harder. Beryllium and magnesium appear to be somewhat grayish in color. Melting and boiling point of these metals are higher than the corresponding alkali metals due to stronger metallic bond, which is due to smaller size and more number of valence electrons. The electropositive character increases down the group from beryllium to barium because ionization enthalpy goes on decreasing. Calcium, strontium and barium impart characteristic color to the flame. Calcium imparts brick red, strontium imparts crimson red, and barium imparts apple green colors to the flame because they absorb light from visible region and radiate complementary color. Beryllium and magnesium impart no color to the flame because their ionization enthalpy is higher and they do not absorb light from visible region and do not radiate complementary color. The reactivity of these elements increases down the group because their ionization enthalpy decreases. Reactivity towards air and water: beryllium and magnesium are kinetically inert to oxygen, that is, they do not react with oxygen and water easily because of the formation of oxide film on their surface. This is protective and does not allow it to further react. However, powdered beryllium burns brilliantly on ignition in air to give beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Magnesium is more electropositive and burns with dazzling light to form magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. Calcium, strontium and barium are readily attacked by air to form their oxides and nitride because they are more reactive as compared to beryllium and magnesium. Barium is most reactive among these. They also react with water with increasing vigor even in cold to form hydroxide. That is, beryllium does not react with even hot water, whereas magnesium reacts with hot water. Calcium, strontium and barium even react with cold water, and explosiveness of the reaction or exothermic process increases down the group. Reactivity towards halogens: all the alkaline earth metals combine with halogens at elevated temperature, forming their halides. This is the general formula of halides: M plus X2, which is halogens, to form MX2. X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Thermal decomposition of ammonium beryllium tetrafluoride is the best route for preparation of beryllium fluoride, and beryllium chloride is conveniently made from its oxide. Beryllium oxide plus carbon plus chlorine at 600 to 800 Kelvin gives beryllium chloride plus carbon monoxide. Beryllium chloride cannot be prepared in aqueous solution because it's covalent and gets hydrolyzed, forming HCl, due to which it fumes in moist air. Reactivity towards hydrogen: all the elements except beryllium combine with hydrogen upon heating to form hydride. Beryllium hydride, being covalent, forms polymeric hydride, and magnesium hydride also forms polymeric hydride. Beryllium hydride can be prepared by reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. BeCl2 on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride give beryllium hydride, lithium chloride plus aluminium chloride. Reactivity towards acid: the alkaline earth metals readily react with acids, liberating dihydrogen. Metal plus 2HCl give MCl2 plus hydrogen, which is the general reaction. And reactivity goes on increasing down the group. Reducing nature: like alkali metals, the alkaline earth metals are also strong reducing agent, but they are weaker than alkali metals, reason being that they have smaller size and higher ionization enthalpy, and also they have less negative reduction potential as compared to alkali metals. However, its reducing nature of beryllium is due to large hydration energy associated with small beryllium ions and relatively large value of atomization enthalpy of the metal because it has strong metallic bond. Reduction potential goes on decreasing down the group, and reducing power goes on increasing down the group. Solution in liquid ammonia, like alkali metals, alkaline earth metals also dissolve in liquid ammonia, giving deep blue-black solution forming ammoniated ions. These are ammoniated ions and these are ammoniated electrons which absorb light from visible region and radiate blue-black color. It also forms hexaamine metal complexes also because they are smaller in size and have higher charge. Uses of group 2 elements. Beryllium is used in manufacture of alloys. Copper beryllium alloys are used in preparation of high strength springs. Metallic beryllium is used in making windows of X-ray tubes. Magnesium forms alloys with aluminium, zinc, manganese and tin which are extensively used in daily life. Magnesium powder and ribbon is used in flash powders and flash bulbs. A suspension of magnesium hydroxide, which is called milk of magnesia, it is used as antacid in medicines to neutralize hyperacidity in stomach. Magnesium carbonate is an ingredient of toothpaste. Calcium is used in extraction of metals from oxide, which are difficult to reduce with carbon because it's a strong reducing agent. Calcium and barium metals, owing to their high reactivity with oxygen and nitrogen at elevated temperature, had often been used to remove air from vacuum tubes.